Hi guys, how are you all? So today I'm going to unbox a USB powered hub. What happens is that whenever you are using a new USB 3.0 device with an old whatever laptop or desktop you have, so what happens is that it doesn't provide sufficient power via the USB 2.0 port. So what happens is that your device may not get detected or your device will not work. Today I am going to unbox 24 watt USB powered hub. This will be an awesome device for you as you can use it as a mobile charger, and also you can use it as a powered hub for your PC and laptop for the newer versions of the USB devices. So let's start this thing, and welcome to Abhijit unboxing. So guys, I have got it from Amazon India, as you can see here. Here you can see I have bought it around a month back, and it cost around 1300 to 1500 in India. The price varies, and I'm not going to provide much dependency on the price because it varies. Let's open this thing and check out whatever is inside. So actually this thing occurred to me in back 2017. Back in 2017, what happened was that I wanted to use hard disk drives with the Raspberry Pi, but the Pi power supply was not sufficient, and when I used a high ampere power supply like 10 watts, it was not even doing anything. So then I have searched through the internet, and I found out that this hub is going to be really awesome, in the sense like power hub is needed to be used. So let's open this thing, and the Amazon guys are providing really good packaging. So this is the box itself. I have got it from QuantumZERO, and this is the newest version of the 24 watt powered hub. The model number of this is QZ-HB05. I hope you can see this thing. The box itself is really awesome. Okay, they have also provided so many options for this thing, in the sense like you can use it with the power banks, as a wall charger, and with the car charger, USB cables, car readers, and as a USB hub. As I was mentioning, like you can use it with anything, almost anything, and it is a multi-usable device, in the sense like that you can at least use it with the two things, like as a phone charger and as a powered hub. So this is the hub itself, and they have provided the USB 3.0 cable, and this is the power adapter, and they have also provided some of the pamphlets inside, and a welcome guide. Okay, it has so many options here. If you are buying this thing, you can read it yourself. Whatever I have said, basically those things are written here. Yeah. So it is a happy, not happy card, and the bill, I guess. Okay, the bill is kind of erased. You can see this is the printed side. So It was around 1325, I guess, according to the bill. I'm keeping the box aside. Let's check out the power hub. Wow, this is the beauty. Okay, actually, what happened is this QuantumZERO company, the same thing. They have a 7-port USB powered hub too. So if you are interested in a higher capacity powered hub, you can buy that one. That will be around, I think, 3000 plus Indian rupees. So you can try that thing. I think they have provided quick charge here in this number 4. Let me check out this thing. I think so, because the sign is there. So this is the powered hub itself. This is the power supply for the powered hub. So this is 24 watt power supply, and this is the USB cable, USB A to B. I think that I have provided enough information with the device itself, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will be subscribing my channel, and you will be helping me grow my channel. And thank you a lot for watching the video. Thanks once again.